Marico's culture promotes early empowerment and exposure to multiple challenges. This has allowed me to explore different facets of my professional life.
In Marico, it's not just an employer-employee relationship. Here I have the power to give ideas and go forward and implement them.
I have been associated with Marico for last 30 years, as it has always given me the freedom to express myself and taken all my suggestions on board.
Saffola Oats reduces cholesterol, keeping my family's heart strong and healthy.
The team at Marico have given various insights about the nuances of FMCG business which are critical in investment decision making, and our investors have tremendously benefited out of the growth story of Marico.
Around September last year, I had an opportunity to visit a little village in UP called Lusa as part of the Nihar Chote Kadam Pragati Ki Or initiative. And it was amazing to see that women were feeling empowered by this small initiative that we had started.
My experiences here have enhanced my skill sets, my knowledge, and made me believe that the limitations which I had were only artificial.
I got the opportunity to decide the technology strategy for Parachute Body Lotion. We chose a very unique technology approach for this project. This would probably not have been possible in any other organization.
Remarkable transparency and corporate governance. This highest standard as actually the aspiration level for the industry.
Through the Marico Innovation Foundation, we have been able to establish a new format, which is the mobile rural camps. Whereas earlier we were doing 20,000 students, we have now been able to train 100,000 students.
What I enjoy about being brand ambassador for Nihar is the fact that Nihar is a brand that's constantly innovating. And what I value about being a brand ambassador for Nihar is the fact that it allows me the opportunity to contribute towards bringing about change in society, in the world around me.
Marico has always made innovative use of technology. They pioneered the PDS system, which made order booking much simpler for me.
It's a place where there's a constant exchange of ideas. Things are done differently.
Marico grows, I grow.
At Marico, sky is the limit.
My partner in life.
So I was feeling empowered. The consumers were feeling empowered. But all of that starts right here with all of you at Marico.
We've just listened to our stakeholders as they speak about Marico. And there is a common thread that runs through our relationships with our stakeholders. Our long-term purpose always guides us. We live by that purpose by contributing every day as we play our roles. Because after all, for all of us, the purpose of life is a life of purpose. We believe in creating value for our key stakeholders. So let's celebrate this unique spirit that sets Marico apart from other companies. 3 key words that go a long way.
Make a difference.
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 Make a difference.